We have to ask that question. And that's also the center of the vortex, because what we're looking at here is this central point in the vortex is a very special place. Drunvalo Melchizedek calls it the sacred space of the heart. It's the place at the very center of all creation, because it's what site with the central point of everything. This is the central point of our chakras. It's the central point of our personal vortex. And it's a very special place. And it's a mystery. And many people try and demonstrate it and show us through beautiful pictures, beautiful understandings of what really is at the center of this vortex. It's described in different ways. It's described as the void in the center of all things. It's described as infinite possibilities. It's described as motionless motion, as the stillness amidst everything. In the Hermetic tradition, they talk about the ring pass knot, which I can't show you because I'll drop the microphone, but it's basically rings of expansion and contraction which hold each other in place. You imagine that one's expanding and one's contracting and they hold each other. And when you go into the very center of those two rings and you stay there and you stay very still, then you get into this stillness point. And from that stillness point, the rings evaporate and you can be everywhere at once and in that place. And that's Buddha consciousness. That is being everywhere at once. And that is what the magic is at the heart of this vortex. We want to start moving towards experiencing it ourselves. So why is this relevant now? Well, next slide, please. Apparently, for 2012, we're going into the center of the galactic vortex. So our sun is coming into the photon belt of the center of our galaxy. And that is seen effectively as us coming into alignment with the very center of our galactic vortex. And that in itself is a lot of the heart, I suppose, of 2012, although it's actually the start of a 2,000-year period, so we're going to be there for a little while. But that would be interesting, to be there, to experience that. And it also brings us back as to why a lot of people are saying at the moment, go into the heart, connect with your heart, because this is our central vortex, the microcosm of the macrocosm. Okay, so end of slides, into experience.